Let's begin with prayer. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityoma Amritam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Ardha Chakrasana or half wheel pose helps to strengthen the backbone and spine muscles. This also helps to tone your shoulder, thighs, and waist. This asana helps to cure respiratory disorders. It is good for your heart health as well. Stand erect on the ground and put your both palms on the lower back by bending the elbows. Inhale slowly, bend your head backward, followed by your back at your convenience. Maintain the pose with slow and deep breathing as long as you are comfortable. Exhale, come to the original position and have relaxation. You can have 2 or more rounds. Padahastasana or hand to feet pose helps to remove the laziness and it eliminates the excess fat around the abdomen and thighs. It purifies and strengthens the nadis. It lengthens the leg after 3 months of practice. Stand straight, inhale slowly and raise the arms up. Stretch up the body from the waist. Exhale and bend forward until both palms rest on the ground. Maintain this posture for 10 to 30 seconds with normal breathing. Now inhale, come up slowly to the upright position. Exhale slowly, return to the starting position. It is advisable to practice 2 to 3 rounds during each yoga session. We will get the flexibility after a few months of practice. So practice is very important. We have to do as per our capacity. We will understand Pancha Mahabhuta, which is a gross element. Each Mahabhuta has one subtle element or tanmatras, and it is connected to our sense organ Jnanendriya and organ of action Karmendriya. So you can go through the presentation. So this will be very useful for from a knowledge perspective and for examination perspective as well. There are 25 principles of Samkhya philosophy. The major two principles are Purusha, pure consciousness, and Prakriti, unmanifested. And we have intellect and ego, mind, and 5 Jnanendriyas, 5 Karmendriyas, 5 Tanmatras, and 5 Mahabhutas, which is totally 25 Tattvas. This is very important chart which we have to understand. Next week we will see Trikonasana, Pashvakonasana, Katti Chakrasana. Thank you.